Did you know that whole grains can actually help reduce the risk of heart disease? Studies show that people who eat more whole grains have a lower chance of developing heart-related issues. Carbohydrates have gotten a bad rep over the years, but the truth is, they're a vital part of a balanced diet. Many people fear carbs because they think they'll lead to weight gain, but the real issue lies in the type of carbs you're consuming. Refined and processed carbs can be detrimental to your health, but whole unprocessed carbs are a different story. Whole grains, fruits, and legumes are some of the healthiest carbs you can include in your daily diet. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for maintaining good health. Fruits like berries, apples, and bananas are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and water content, making them very filling and nutritious. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are packed with protein, fiber, and complex carbs, making them an excellent source of energy. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be easy and delicious. Try replacing white rice with brown rice, or having a bowl of oatmeal with fresh fruits and nuts for breakfast. You can also add legumes to your soups, salads, or stir-fries for an extra boost of protein and fiber. Additionally, snacking on fruits and veggies can help curb your cravings for unhealthy snacks. The benefits of including healthy carbs in your diet are numerous. For one, they provide sustained energy levels, so you can power through your day without feeling sluggish. They also promote better digestion, which can lead to a stronger immune system and even clearer skin. In the long run, a diet rich in whole, unprocessed carbs can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. A diet rich in whole grains, fruits, and legumes can have a significant impact on your overall health. By choosing complex carbs over refined ones, you'll be giving your body the fuel it needs to function properly. This can lead to improved mental clarity, a stronger immune system, and even a longer lifespan. Healthy carbs can also help with weight management, as they're often more filling and less calorie-dense than processed foods. By making informed food choices, you can take control of your health and well-being. One expert says whole grains, fruits, and legumes are essential for maintaining good health. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that our bodies need to function properly. Another expert adds, a diet rich in complex carbs can help reduce inflammation, improve blood sugar control, and even support healthy weight loss. To sum it up, healthy carbs are a vital part of a balanced diet. By choosing whole grains, fruits, and legumes, you can provide your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to thrive. These foods can help improve energy levels, promote better digestion, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite healthy carbs? Let us know in the comments below. If you're looking for more tips on incorporating these foods into your diet, be sure to check out our next video on meal planning with healthy carbs.